In this short video, we will present I&C Archive, another helpful solution in the Omnivi's digital services portfolio. I&C Archive can help you avoid being flooded by alerts and increase your efficiency as an operator. To access I&C monitors and advisors, you will need to log into our Customer Energy portal. Now, you can see the I&C Monitors and Advisors menu, which gives you an overview of all available services. By clicking on the arrows, you will see a short description of the respective services. It includes two parts. The static text, which provides an overview of the service in general, and the dynamic text, which summarizes the results of a specific service. Also on the landing page, you will see a summarized evaluation for all available services. It provides a rough graphical representation of improvement potential. In this case, I&C Archive rates the plant's optimization potential to be high. The number of alerts determines the potential for optimization. By clicking on the button More, you will get to I&C Archive. For this example, we will evaluate the time period from the 9th to the 16th of January, 2022. I&C Archive is divided into monitors and advisors. I&C Archive consists of 4 use cases: alert load reduction, manual operation load reduction, analog archive optimization, and binary archive load reduction. Since the general structure is very similar, let's focus on alert load reduction as an example. Each use case provides you with 3 KPIs. The first one visualizes the violation of limits. The gray line represents the plant load. The blue line indicates the actual alert load, and the red dot shows the peak during the selected time period. The red line stands for the current average, while the black line sets an individually determined average alert load. The second KPI confirms this assumption as it compares the plant to an average value, which is generated from the result of all other available plants. This includes a benchmark set by the best-in-class plants. The third KPI lists the top 20 signals that are responsible for the alert load. Shifting the indicator shows how many signals have to be optimized to reach better performance levels. The Advisors section provides answers to the following questions. Which signals are responsible for the alarms? What is the root cause for the alarms? What can be done to decrease the alarm load? For this example, signal number 2 will be analyzed. The top section provides the name and where the signal comes from. The section below gives the root causes along with our respective recommendations. The analysis of plant startup option is dependent on the tag name of the event and fuel type. It can detect the start of the plant and automatically present this in a given time period. Also, it detects all events in the selected time period and lists them in a table, beginning with the most frequently occurring alert. The table shows you the number of alerts that have been recorded in the archive during the start of the unit and the beginning of load operation. The alerts are grouped between each 2 events within the startup. You can run the same analysis for the shutdown of your plant. Knowing the signals that are responsible for your alerts can help operators save time and focus on more critical tasks. Furthermore, you can find many more features below Raw Reports, such as the Alerts Report. It is a graphical summary of all alerts in a selected time period. Let's look at another example, CLCS on manual. It is one of a number of very detailed features and tells you the time, duration, and frequency that a closed-loop controller was running in manual mode. This provides some indication of how best to optimize your controls and further automate your operation. To summarize, let's have a look at the benefits of I&C Archive. With I&C Archive, you can reduce operator workload to shift the focus to key and critical events, improve operational decisions, and increase operating efficiency by reducing alerts by up to 80%.